Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use custom fonts on iPhone in iOS 13. In iOS 13, you now have the option to add new custom fonts that will be available in various system-wide apps, such as Mail, Pages, Numbers, and so on. To do this, we're going to rely on custom font application that'll install fonts for us to use. These are 100% certified and are available in the App Store. For this tutorial, we'll be installing Adobe Creative Cloud that offers over 17,000 fonts. Download Adobe Creative Cloud and create an account, or log in if you already have an account. You do not need the paid membership. Now, to install custom fonts, go to Fonts tab. Tap Install Fonts under one that you like. Tap Install again. You can see the new fonts that you've already installed by going to Settings app, General, Fonts. Now open Pages, type in the text that you want and select it. Tap on the paintbrush icon and tap on the font next to Font. Here, find the newly installed font and tap on it. There you go. This is a new but a very welcome addition that is sure to please a lot of creative minds, as well as regular users who just want additional customization. Why did you decide to change the font? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.